Today I'm going to show you how to create a new PowerPoint presentation. Go to Start menu. In the search dialog box, type PowerPoint. This app of PowerPoint will appear. Click on the PowerPoint, wait for a few seconds, and this page of PowerPoint will appear. Here it is the blank presentation. These are some saved themes by the Microsoft Office, which you can search as per your requirement. These are the recent presentation which you have opened will appear here. Now we will create a new blank PowerPoint presentation. This is the default page of PowerPoint presentation. This is the main title bar. Here it is the quick access menu, which we will discuss in our next lectures. This is the menu bar with having some few options. These are some tools in the PowerPoint Office presentation which will help in creating a quality PowerPoint presentation. Now we can also open a new PowerPoint presentation by going to the open. Click on the required PowerPoint presentation and open it. As we are new to this PowerPoint presentation, we will create new blank presentation. So this is the way how you can create a new PowerPoint presentation. For further videos on PowerPoint, like my channel, like this video,